This 2015 GMC Acadia is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. GMC Acadia Denali odd third raw seats technology package rear DVD entertainment navigation system rear view camera rear parking sensor shaded front seat spool front seats power rear tailgate power sliding sunroof 20-inch QUOT wheels and chrome heads-up display xenon headlights 3.6 LV 6-cylinder engine 6-speed automatic transmission cruise control keyless entry power exterior mirrors power door locks crimson red exterior black leather interior owner's manual 2 sets of keys owner. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walks around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2015 GMC Acadia Denali AWD is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and ample pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all discreet. Visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.